Oh, hey, we're about to do a chemical peel. Let's go for it. Okay. Hey, everyone. It's Kat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. We are going to be doing a chemical peel, and I can't wait. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to test it out for you. We're going to test it out. I'm going to show you how it's done, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay. Chemical peels. What exactly are they? There are different levels of chemical peels. And what we're going to be doing today is considered the most gentle because we're using AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, as well as BHA, beta hydroxy acid. The product that we're going to be using today contains glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acid. The glycolic and lactic acid penetrates the top layer of the skin, where the salicylic acid actually goes into the pores of your skin and reduces the congestion. If your pores are congested, that does give the illusion of them looking larger. So once you clean out those pores will look smaller. There are specific directions how to use the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. First of all, you're not going to peel it off. It's not one of those peel off masks. So you're probably thinking, are chemical peels safe? Absolutely. Chemical peels are best for people that experience hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, as well as uneven skin tone and texture. It's actually part of my weekly routine. Now, for this product, they recommend that you only use it twice a week. I'm kind of a wuss, I admit it. I only use it once a week, and they do recommend that you leave it on for only 10 minutes and then you wash it off with lukewarm water. But I only leave it on for 7 minutes. That's just me. I may bump myself up to 8 to 9 minutes today. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's get started and let's do our chemical peel. Face is totally cleansed. Earlier I went in with the Sephora's Cleansing Oil and Balm Makeup Remover, and then I double cleansed with CeraVe Hydrating Facial Wash. I have 0 products on my face. My face is completely dry. I'm ready to go in with my chemical peel. Now the color is a little shocking and the consistency is super watery. I ain't gonna lie. It looks like either this or blood. Don't be scared. Wish me luck. But as you can see, it comes out in a medicine dropper, and you're going to put a couple of drops on your face like so, and I just drip it on my face and I can already feel it tingling, and that's probably the salicylic acid that you can feel the tingle with. On my face, yes, I can totally feel it tingling, and honestly, I like when a skin product tingles. Maybe that's bad. I know it looks really disturbing, like I just came out of a horror show, but this is totally what it looks like. And I'm just gonna be liberal with it and apply it. I know, my method is crazy. I'm just going to put a light coat. It looks very disturbing, I know. Don't be scared. I'm just gonna put a couple more drops. Ooh. And like I said, the salicylic acid is the one that gets deep into the pores and cleans out the congestion, which can lead to pimples. And I've had some breakouts during the last month due to stress. What I'm gonna do next is set my timer. You're supposed to have it on for 10 minutes, but what I'm gonna do, just to be on the safe side, is I'm gonna time it for 8 minutes, like so. You can see that. I know it's a little too bright. I'm going to start my timer. The tingling has stopped and the consistency is drying up. Might want to, right. The consistency is now drying on my face and it feels like it's tightening just a bit. And we're only 1 minute in. Yay! let's talk. Let's have a glass of wine while we're doing this before we wash our face. So, how are you guys doing? I know it's been super stressful recently, and I have been going back to yoga to refocus and calming my soul. I did a very basic yoga tutorial. I'll put the link up there in case you're interested, but it's just simple stretches to relieve the tension in your neck and your lower back. And it's just a basic tutorial to learn super easy stretches. But I find that yoga really calms me and it keeps me focused. Feeling good. I don't feel anything at all now. So I'm at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Feeling good. My skin is not tingling anymore. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to rinse it off and I will be right back. Mask is off. Now, I just rinsed it off with lukewarm water. It came off super easy. And you know when you're rinsing off your face that you can still feel texture. I have zero moisturizer on, but I am feeling how smooth my skin is. Oh my God. When you have glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid, there's no need to tone your face after using this chemical peel. Normally what I do is I just go in with a regular moisturizer, and tonight I'm going in with the CANNUKA moisturizer. I feel that this moisturizer is so soothing on my skin, and since I put it kind of through, you know, a chemical peel, I want something that's going to help moisturize for sure and calm it at the same time. I absolutely love the CANNUKA moisturizer. I'm a huge fan of their CANNUKA CBD Calming Eye Balm, if you know me by now. But this is a fabulous product if you have dry under eyes. And for extra, I know this is kind of like a soothing eye balm. I just take a little bit of this and I take a spatula, take the CBD eye balm between my fingers, let it melt, and just tap some on under my eyes. And basically, that is my routine when I do the chemical peel. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes, and you can really, really feel a difference. It is recommended that you can use it twice a week. On the other hand, I only use it once a week. I feel it does such an amazing job on making my skin feel so smooth and so even toned that once a week works for me. Everybody's skin needs are different, so if you want to try it twice a week, that's entirely up to you. But do I recommend the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution? Absolutely. The price, you cannot go wrong. Now, with any skincare product, I suggest you do a patch test. You could have an allergic reaction. Also, some people have said that they had peeling. I have not. Everybody's different. Everybody's results are going to be different. I highly suggest you do a patch test before you try any sort of skincare product out. I hope you enjoyed doing a chemical peel with me. Leave a comment down below if you've ever done a chemical peel at home. This is the closest I've gotten to a chemical peel. Now remember, there are varying stages of chemical peels, and this is definitely the most gentle. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. But for now, mahal kita. I love you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.